Hello everybody, and thank you for taking the time to tune in and watch this short video. I'll start today by talking about where we're at in terms of the numbers for COVID across NHS Lanarkshire, and then I'm going to talk a bit about the support that we've received from our military colleagues over recent times and going forward. In terms of the numbers, the new case numbers yesterday were 338 new cases, and that number has stayed pretty constant across the last few weeks within Lanarkshire. And the inpatient number was 111 inpatients across our 3 acute sites. That is trending upwards, which is a cause for concern at this point going into the winter. But we are hopeful that the impact of the vaccination will do something to mitigate that impact going forward. The vaccination numbers are 160,000 to date for NHS Lanarkshire, so we're doing well with our vaccination delivery and currently have 6 patients in ICU and 6 care home outbreaks. So these are the data for this week. I wanted to spend a bit of time this week just acknowledging the contribution of our military colleagues who have been fantastic right the way through the pandemic and given a lot of support to NHS Lanarkshire. In particular, Major Donald Urquhart in the early stages of the pandemic was hugely helpful, and he's now working at Scottish Government and has been instrumental in coordinating further vaccination support for us through the military, and also around 60 staff working across our 3 EDs. And they've been in place now for over a month, and we were successful in securing a continuation of that support following a further submission to the military, and that will now carry on till just before Christmas, which should allow them to get home for Christmas, which I think was important to them, and you'll understand why. So that'll go on until the 17th of December. During the military involvement, our staff has, as usual, played their usual blinders. So it's come to my attention that one of our military colleagues celebrated his 21st birthday while he was working at Monklands, and obviously our staff had to buy him a Colin the Caterpillar cake, which was just lovely. So thank you, the team that did that. And also we had asked our military colleagues at Hare Myers to help us out moving some wards around. So they came in contact with some patients on ward 18 at Hare Myers. And one of the patients that they came into contact with was a 99-year-old veteran who'd worked in the Royal Navy as an engineer many years ago. Unfortunately, he's deaf, but through his wife and through writing things down, there was a conversation between the current military staff who've been deployed to help us and this 99-year-old veteran. And they came back on Remembrance Day and celebrated that together, which I think, again, is a lovely story. So thank you to everybody who has been involved from the military, and thank you also to our staff for your engagement with them and the great teamwork that we've seen over recent weeks. Thank you.